Ever feel like your money is just sitting there, doing nothing? Like it should be out there, working hard for you, making more money? That's the dream, right? Passive income, financial freedom, all that good stuff. Well, that's where investing comes in. But let's be honest, investing can seem intimidating. Stock markets, mutual funds, ETFs, it's all enough to make your head spin. Here's where platforms like Wealthsimple come in. They promise to make investing easy, accessible, even for beginners. But the big question remains, can you actually make money using Wealthsimple? Let's dive in and explore the world of Wealthsimple, what it offers, and whether it can be your path to financial gain. Wealthsimple 101, Investing Made Relatively Simple. Wealthsimple is an online investment platform. They cut out the middleman, the fancy suits on Wall Street, and offer a user-friendly platform to buy and sell investments. Here's the beauty, Wealthsimple offers two main ways to invest. Managed investing, this is like having your own investing autopilot. Wealthsimple asks you a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, then builds a personalized portfolio of investments for you. They handle the rebalancing, the buying and selling. All you have to do is sit back and watch, hopefully, your money grow. Self-directed investing, this is for the more hands-on investor. You get to choose exactly which stocks, ETFs, and other investments you want to put your money in. It gives you more control, but also comes with more responsibility. You're the captain of this ship. So, can you make money? The not-so-simple answer. All right, the real talk. Can Wealthsimple make you rich? Well, that depends. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The stock market, like any investment, has its ups and downs. There's always a chance you could lose money. But here's the good news. History shows that over the long term, the stock market tends to trend upwards. By investing consistently and for the long haul, you increase your chances of seeing a return on your investment. Wealthsimple's money-making features beyond stocks. Wealthsimple goes beyond just buying and selling stocks. They offer features that can help your money grow in other ways. Wealthsimple Cash, this is essentially a checking account with a twist. You can park your cash here and earn a healthy interest rate, way more than you'd get at a traditional bank. High-interest savings account, need a safe place for your emergency fund or short-term savings goals. Their high-interest savings account offers a competitive interest rate, keeping your money safe while still growing a bit. Stock-back rewards, this is a fun little bonus. When you use your Wealthsimple Cash debit card, you get a small percentage of your purchase back in the form of stock for a company you choose. Making Wealthsimple work for you, a few tips. So, you're interested in giving Wealthsimple a try? Here are some tips to maximize your chances of success. Start small and invest consistently. You don't need a ton of money to begin. Start with a small amount you can afford to invest regularly. Consistency is key. Do your research. Even with managed investing, even if you choose managed investing, it's wise to understand the basics of investing. This will help you make informed decisions about your financial future. Don't panic sell, the market will fluctuate. Don't let short-term dips scare you into selling. Stay calm and focused on your long-term goals. Wealthsimple, a tool, not a magic money machine. Wealthsimple is a great tool for beginners and experienced investors alike. It can help you grow your wealth, but it's important to remember it's a tool, not a magic money machine. Investing requires patience, discipline, and a bit of education. But with the right approach, Wealthsimple can be a valuable asset on your journey to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.